YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. On my way up to Panera Bread this morning. My buddy's running late, so we're going to actually meet up there. And then we'll take off from there and go for a ride. Alright, I got a few things I want to talk about this morning. First is the visor. My new clear visor. I absolutely love it. I am not a big fan of sunglasses or tinted shields because when I go in and out of light and shadow, it tends to bother my eyes, so I don't know. I like the clear better. I think I see better. Also, this morning's video, I am shooting it on my new GoPro Hero8. I've already shot this video once, but for some reason the microphone in my helmet was not working, so I did not get any audio, so I am reshooting the video. Alright, but on that note, hopefully it's recording this time. The other thing I want to talk about, it is Sunday morning and I'm heading up to Panera, the old Marcus Dairy. It was kind of crazy. Last weekend I actually got a comment on, I think it was the video of me going up to Marcus Dairy, and it said something and I-95, and it had a link, but the link wouldn't open or anything, so I'm like, oh, somebody's spamming me with some advertisements or something, so I deleted it, didn't think anything of it. The other night, the central air in my house went out, and my house was like 90 degrees and humid inside. It was miserable. I couldn't sleep at all. It was like 4 in the morning. I start looking at the analytics on my phone, and I notice my channel's getting traffic. You know, people are getting to my channel and looking at it through I-95. And I'm like, what the heck is this? So I went on and I Googled it, and I Googled the local radio station around here, I-95. And sure enough, on there, one of the morning DJs, Lou Milano, did an article about Marcus Dairy, and he featured my YouTube channel on there. You know, mentioned me, gave stuff. The link to my YouTube channel is in there. Man, I thought it's the coolest thing ever, which I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. You guys could go and check it out. I think, it was just really, really cool. So Lou, if you happen to watch this video, I'm terribly sorry I deleted your comment and thought it was spam. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you're anywhere near Connecticut, I would love to see this turn into what Marcus used to be up here on Sunday mornings. A bunch of guys meeting up on their motorcycles, hanging out, having a good time. Alright, so next thing I want to mention is to Tim Finning. My Sporty is the same as yours. When I first start out, runs really terrible for the first 5-10 minutes till it warms up. When my bike warms up, it likes to run around 990,000 RPMs at idle, and that seems to be the sweet spot when I know that it's come up to temperature. And the other thing about the bike, for Road Rash HD, Tim Finning, anybody else that owns a Sporty, my Sporty had really, really squeaky brakes when I first picked it up, and it did for a long time. And I'm gonna tell you, I went out for a ride and I hammered on the back brake. I would, get up to speed, and I would do a major stop on my back, using mostly my back brake and really, really using it. And it seems like since I did that, I don't know if it seated the brake pad really good or whatever, but it really does not squeak like it used to. So guys, give that a try on your bike. Maybe it'll help. The other thing I want to talk about is my t-shirts and my stickers at Teesprings, guys. I'll leave a link down below to get to my store. I'm not sales pitching this. What I want to say is I've decided it's too hard to do giveaways and contests and whatever. There's so many rules and regulations. So what I've decided is, you know, you guys can follow me on Instagram. I do have a link to my Instagram on my page there. And what I decided is leave comments on my YouTube videos. I already did this. I gave away, you know, I gave somebody a gift. Just a nice gift from Motorcycling with Carl. I picked them out. I got in touch with them. I sent them a t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is if people buy t-shirts, once there's enough profit in the account, I'm just randomly going to read the comments and stuff that catches my eye, or people that have really good channels, whatever. I'm just going to give you a gift. I'll get in touch with you and say, hey, give me a place and you know, to send a t-shirt, give me your size, and I'll give you a gift. So that's that. I'm planning on doing a lot more mods on my bike. I have a part coming this week. Hopefully should be a simple little install, but it's something I really need. So you'll be seeing that video soon. Trying to think, I think there was something else I wanted to talk about. Let's see, we talked about the visor, we got the GoPro, talked about the squeaky brakes, talked about the t-shirts, talked about the article. Yeah, I guess that's, you know, about covering it. So I hope the video on this, the quality is really good, and I hope the audio this time is good. Last time I couldn't hear nothing. So, man, it is just such a beautiful day today. As of right now, the temperature's not hammering hot. I feel bad for Easy Rider. Seems like he's in the middle of a real heat wave where he is. But, yeah, so we're going to take a nice ride after this. Maybe if I go somewhere cool, I'll shoot a little footage, put an extra video up. So I think that's about it. Make sure you check out that article. It has to be the coolest feeling ever. I wanted to wake my wife up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was so excited, but I didn't. I know what's not good for me. I love you, dear. All right. So, if you like my channel, you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Alright, so this is Carl saying, laugh a lot, be nice,